Hi, darling. How are you? Precious. She's just looking at Leo. Precious. Hi, babe. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Oh, she's spooked by Leo. Don't scare her. Aw. Yeah, you wanted to say hi? Come on, let's go. She'll see us later. Come on. She went that way. There it is. The House of Waves. I love at the top of this house. Look how it goes straight through. The windows go so you can see straight through the house. Incredible. Love this house. Leo, let's go. Oh, by the way, it was 44 degrees when when I got up this morning. Ah! Problem is I'm limping, so it's making the video a little more jumpy. I apologize. I do have damage on my leg. Let's go down. It's a rocky entrance, but we can do it. Let's go to the beach, darling. Oh my gosh. Look at the mist. Oh gosh, my feet are in sand. My feet are in sand. I wonder if Leo's gonna be able to walk on this. There's some water coming out here. Look at this incredible beauty. God, can you imagine waking up to this every day? Oh, it's just so incredible. Let's see how Leo can do on the sand. It's kind of deep. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go explore. Yeah, me and Andy both have metal detectors, and we're gonna bring our metal detectors down here in a little bit, and we're gonna do a little looking about, see if we can find anything. That would be so fun. Finding something with my metal detector on the beach. Isn't that wild? Look at how that mist is just all rolling in off of the ocean there. See that halfway out there. Mist down there too. Wow, look at that. Huh. It smells like the ocean. Oh my God. I'm so excited, and I just now feel the sunrise right behind me. Look, there it is. There's sunrise. Here comes the sun. Do, do, do. Here comes the sun. And I say it's alright. Good morning. Alright, Leo, let's continue towards... Oh my God, look at this incredible... Oh my gosh. Oh my God, I love this rock. What a great poem. Look at these rocks. Oh my God, I don't have anything to carry them in. I want to take them all home. Actually, I don't have my own home. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's continue toward the beach. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I came to the beach this weekend. I'm really thankful that I came to the beach. Oh my God. Come on, little Leo. Are you getting sandy? Yeah, you might need a bath later. Oh my God, this is so incredible. People are looking for stuff on the shore over there. Yeah, I gotta go get my metal detector here shortly. This is a great time to be doing it early. Look at it. I just love it. It's just incredible, people.